Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add fonts to Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your browser and then search for the font. Once you search for the font, click on this link and then search for any font that you like. So for example, I'm gonna pick this one, Melado Rose. Go ahead and click on download, and once it's downloaded, you need to extract it. So we're gonna drag it right here and then extract the font. And once you do that, right click on it and then click on more options and then click on install for all users. Once you do that, wait for it to install and then you can delete it. You can also delete the zipped file and then go back to Gimp. And now if you go and search for the font, you're not gonna find it. So let's restart the Gimp software really quick. So we're gonna search for Gimp and then start it again. And now we're gonna go to fonts and search for Melado Rose. So it's gonna be somewhere right here. And as you can see guys, I found this right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.